Here in Los Angeles, we are by or near our cars at any given moment, so our car should be prepared for an emergency too, right?
Correct. Absolutely.
What should we have in our car?
This is the backpack that I have in my car, and I can show you some of the things that I have. Number one, you need a good pair of tennis shoes, because most people working are wearing, solid shoes, whatever, women, high heels, something like that, sandals, flip-flops coming back from the beach. You're not going to walk very far in sandals or high heel shoes. So
Word up. Word up, Jim.
some socks. The other thing I have is water, and this isn't the regular Sparkletts bottled water. This water has a 5-year shelf life on it, so it'll last in the trunk of your car for up to 5 years. The other thing is food. I have energy bars. These energy bars will last in the trunk of your car. The heat will ruin just about anything, candy, you name it. So these energy bars are 400 calories each. I've got about a dozen of them that I keep in my backpack here. Something else that is very important is cash. I can tell you, a lot of people joke about having cash. They say, I got my credit card, my debit card. That's great until there's no electricity. And when you need to go buy batteries for your flashlight or something like that, or a bottle of water, and all you have is $20 bills from the ATM, your food and water just became very expensive. So have some cash, some 1s, 5s, 10s, things like that. Another important thing to have is a whistle. And this is considerably louder than you screaming. It also saves your vocal cords.
I saw the movie Titanic, so I know you need to have that whistle.
Absolutely a whistle. I have an AM/FM radio, so I can listen to KFWB News, whatever it might be. In the city of Calabasas, we have an AM radio station at 1630 AM. And it will, if there's an emergency, a fire, earthquake, evacuation, we will have information on that radio station for you. Also a pair of leather gloves, just in case. And I've got a rain poncho, Leatherman tool, some other little things like that I have extra. But those are probably the bare necessities that you should have, besides a flashlight, which I do happen to have a couple of them in my shoes.